Welcome to our channel, Small Business Success. This is Julie under the banner of Provaco. So today we're going to talk about business relationship with credit. What is that? What is business relationship with credit? I know many of us think of business, you think you're going to make money immediately. No. Um, there's a lot that goes on before you can actually say you're running a business. Running a business, you can start it with cash, you can start it with the loans from friends, but you run your business with credit. So, what do we mean by that? First of all, you have to maintain a good relationship with your creditors. You have to maintain a very good relationship with your banks before you even start the business, because there will be a time where you need money, where you need capital, where you need to buy machinery. So even if your business has not started making money, but if you have a good relationship with creditors or with companies that can actually grant you credit, that is very important. Take that into consideration before starting a business. Build your credit profile, have that relationship, and when you build that relationship with your creditors, the best that can happen is that you're going to get better terms in terms of your loan repayments. Most people are worried that sometimes because of the race or other things, certain races pay more on the interest rate than others. Yes, that's true. But mostly it's true because you don't have a history. So you are a high risk. So you can reduce your risk of credit by having good accounts. You don't have to pay so much. When you open an account, you can open different line items of credit. You can have your credit card, you can have a car loan, vehicle finance, you can have a store account if you're in construction or any other. If you're in services, pay your service providers on credit. Those accounts can be less than 5,000 rands per month, including insurance. So you also need insurance. So build a strong credit relationship with your creditors. That would help you. That would help your business. And you have to communicate. When I look at people running away from calls, not taking the creditors' calls, you're not doing yourself a favor. It's a disservice actually to yourself. So every business should make an effort to pay the bills, pay the bills on time, pay them in full, so that when you actually need money for bigger projects, you've got a record. You've got a financial responsibility as the owner of a company to pay your bills on time. They don't have to be big bills. I repeat, you can have bills of less than 5,000, 3,000 per month. All that counts is how you pay. Tomorrow we're going to be covering how credit started. Why is this credit so important? For instance, now the banks, everybody doesn't want to go to the bank. And then, as I mentioned on my previous videos, that there are DFIs and companies that are saying they are for SMMEs. They all use the same system. Now we have to understand why that system, where did it come from, where did it start, why that system. So we're not going to get to that. Most people are ignorant of this fact, because when you're working and you go to the bank with your payslip, you get whatever you need. You get a house, you get a car. But when it gets to business, you don't get anything. So we'll cover that. Why is that possible? Whilst we are also talking to our partners, and hopefully that we would have built a system strictly for SMMEs to have a credit scoring for businesses, for small businesses. That system doesn't exist. But right now, what they use is what is based on your behavior. What I can say is based on your behavior. So, in addition to traditional lenders, most businesses most businesses have depended on friends and relatives, but that doesn't work today. If you've got a deal that is worth 200,000 or 2 million, you can't have a friend waiting there. Even them, they would look at how you pay back. They would look at how you pay back your loans. Then they can lend you that money. So you don't want to take that risk, you know. And ultimately, for a successful business, you will have to have a more of a trust and transparency type of transactions with the people you buy from, and you need to have commitment, and you need to have financial management. You must manage your finances in business. So small businesses, you will be successful. The channel is called Small Business Success. You will be successful as long as you are told, you are helped, you are assisted in understanding what is it that makes you not get that grant, that loan, and yeah.